So in this video, I'm going to be trying to explain what the GNU project is. So you might remember me talking about this computer Buddha guy, Richard Stallman. So I don't know what the deal with Richard Stallman is, but he's got a really weird habit of naming things in really dumb ways. So the GNU project is a project. It's an action. It's a project. It's an undertaking, right? It's this project that Richard Stallman announced on September 27th, 1983. And its goal is to give computer users freedom and control in their use of the computers and computing devices by collaboratively blah, 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 blah. Right? It's to freely yada, yada, yada. So what this is it's a, it's a collaboration project. So it's an undertaking. It's an action. And it's basically a big project, undertaking to develop free software, and it's primarily financed by the Free Software Foundation. You remember me talking about these guys. This is their website. So yeah, the Free Software Foundation kind of came together and to create. Well, actually, the GNU project came before the Free Software Foundation. So what ended up happening is the GNU project was announced, then the Free Software Foundation. So it came together in October 4th, 1985. Right. So actually, the GNU project came before the Free Software Foundation. So Richard Stallman quit MIT or something and was like, hey, I'm going to create the GNU project, and it's going to be a project to create free software for people so they can have control over their computers. And then Richard Stallman kind of realized that, it'd be a really good idea to have a non-profit so people can donate money to the free software movement and the Free Software Foundation and yada, yada, yada. So the GNU project came first. Then it was the Free Software Foundation to support the GNU project. And the GNU project, as I said, is just this big undertaking to create, free software and blah da da da, and people are able to collaborate, and people are able to donate and work on this project using the internet, right? So I don't know how they did it back in the 80s, but they did it some way. They were paying people down the street to develop free software or something, who knows. But now the Free Software Foundation is working on the GNU project that's being contributed by, like Linux, all over the world, by people all over the world, right? So their website, this is the free software, Free Software Foundation. Now check out the GNU project. This is the GNU project website. It's obviously pretty much the exact same thing. So, and you can tell right here in the web address, exact same thing. Pretty much the exact same thing. So, different websites, different IP addresses, but pretty much same layout. So, the GNU project was, was that just a undertaking. And so what does the GNU project do? The GNU project is to create GNU, right? And I'm going to go over what GNU is. And for those of you who don't know, GNU is what does GNU stand for? GNU is a recursive acronym, which stands for GNU's Not Linux. So GNU doesn't actually fucking mean anything. It doesn't mean anything, right? It just stands for GNU's Not Linux, right? So this guy Richard Stallman, thought it'd be really funny to name important software after a inside joke that doesn't fucking make any sense and call it a recursive acronym, a self-referencing acronym. So GNU does not actually mean anything except GNU's not Linux. So it's really dumb, it's really stupid, it's really confusing, and Richard Stallman really could have done better to make this easier to understand. But that's basically what the GNU project is. I'm going to talk about what GNU is rather than the GNU project here in the next video. So that's my little video for today. If this was confusing, guess what? It's confusing for me too. And I hope you guys like this video. If you guys like it, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and help the channel out. Thanks.